I'm down the flying field with Finn and Trevor, and we've got a new model sent to us by our friends at Banggood.com. One of these you can get it as one of these all in the box ready to fly models, but what they sent us was just the aeroplane with a little Futaba receiver. What else can you tell me about it, Trevor?
Okay, well, it comes with 2 batteries, which are 500 milliamp 1S, and it comes with a USB charger. What was good about this kit, you can't see it, but inside there's a tiny little SBUS receiver which binded perfectly with that Futaba transmitter we got here, so that was really easy to set up. Something else unusual about this plane, it's got 3 little motors that are driving the main propeller.
Oh, wow,
a little sort of park fly, it's the first time I've seen that.
Yep.
Very easy to put together, only probably takes 5 minutes to assemble.
We'll just put the wings on and the struts,
literally clip the wings on, and then you've just got 2 screws at the bottom which holds the struts on, and also secures the undercarriage as well, just stops it dropping out the bottom.
Yeah.
We were talking, it's got quite big wheels on it, so we reckon it might even be able to take off on grass, which normally these little things
Yes, if you've got short grass,
yeah, so that
it might work. We'll certainly try that in a minute, see if that does work.
Something else as well, it's a 3-channel plane, so no ailerons, just got rudder, elevator and throttle, and it's got a gyro system which you can switch on and off, so that should be quite interesting to see the difference.
Literally on or off?
Yeah, there's no middle ground from what I can gather.
Okay. But you're using your own transmitter, so you can set up rates and exponential and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, you can do all kinds of things. The fact that, you can use your own transmitter now, so...
Whereas we find that when we do get sent the versions with the transmitter, you get the beginner, mid and expert modes, and that's it, you can't modify that. But with the radio, you can set it up how you want.
I'll tell you something else which just came to my mind, is the fact that you can use your own transmitter means you could also have a buddy box system, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could.
So if you've never flown before, you could have someone with a buddy box.
Yes.
So you've got all kinds of options.
Yep. All right, so the A505 J3, made by Kutai from Banggood.com. The link's in the video description and the pinned comments, but now Finn is going to give this a fly. It does say on the box, Finn, 14 plus.
Yeah.
So he's 11 years old, but not your typical 11-year-old. He's got his A and his B certificate. He's been flying a while. So Finn, on this occasion, we'll make an exemption. We'll let you fly it.
Hell yeah. You reckon he can handle it?
I don't know. Can he handle the power?
Oh, I don't know. We'll soon find out.
All right. Come on then, Finn. So is the gyro on or off?
It's on.
It's on. All right. Yeah, it's up. I'm not surprised by that. The grass is dry and they're quite large wheels, so all good.
Now it's got the power.
All right, so can we have some nice tight circuits for the camera? Let me put the camera in manual focus mode. So you can actually see the gyro working, because we've got a little bit of a breeze. Even closer, Finn. Nice.
Nice little thing.
Classic J3 Cub. High winger, so super stable. Flying in a little bit of a breeze, probably 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's handling it pretty well. It is a bit shaky, but it's not.
No, well, that's compensating for the turbulence, I think. Right, try the off circuit the other way. So left turn, just to prove it can go both ways. All right. So can you do loops or rolls with the gyro on?
No.
Doesn't let you?
No, it doesn't.
Interesting. All right, so it's kind of flight stabilization and for beginners.
Yeah.
All right, do you want to try turning it off then?
Gyro's off. Oh, yeah, definitely feels a lot more twitchy.
Loopy loop,
But yeah, what's the wrong?
knife edge.
Knife action. Man, okay, turn
Oh,
it back on.
oh my God.
Don't think I'm at the skill level yet. I'm not 14.
Oh, yeah, true.
His age all depends.
So it is quite sensitive in the
Yeah.
no gyro mode, but you could dial down the rates because you're using your own transmitter.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's the J3 Cub. It's not really meant for aerobatics.
No, definitely not. But I'm going to see if I can use this as a bush thing. Feels so nice to fly. It has the power.
Well, it's got 3 motors. It's no surprise, is it? All right, try and do a slow pass. How slow will it fly? I think that's downwind.
Oh my god.
There you go. See, that's
Landing!
that's because you were downwind. You need to do opposite circuits, I think.
Wait, is it downwind? I don't know.
Yeah, I can feel the wind. Come on, flip it on its... Bring it over. Take off again. Okay, so yeah, the wind is changing around actually.
Okay, so now this is into wind. I think the wind's just changed.
Yeah, it has. All right, so 1 circuit and then land, and I think that'll be enough.
I'll try to do a slow pass.
I want to see a nice landing after this circuit. Go round again. Nice landing, try and keep it on its wheels.
Yeah, not flip it over like the last landing.
Oh!
It was almost nice.
Almost.
I might be able to flip it over.
No, go on then, go and pick it up. So this is the A505 J3. We've got it without the radio. So, but with a little Futaba SBUS receiver, which we've set up with Trevor's own and Finn's own radio. You don't get that with this, but there's another simpler radio option that you can get, probably a little bit more expensive. So overall, Finn, good little RC airplane for a first timer.
Yes.
Yeah,
Buy this more than once.
you will do.
Yes.
Good, you must like it then. All right, the link for this is in the video description and a pinned comment. Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you soon.
Adios.
He doesn't speak Spanish, that's the only word he knows.
Yeah.